So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add your name in ChatGPT while using your mobile phone. So for that reason, let me just open up the ChatGPT for you, and then from here on to the left upper side, you will probably see two dots. Tap on these two dots, and then you need to go with the profile icon onto the bottom. Simply tap on that, and then simply go with the personalization option. Tap on that, and once again go with the memory option onto the first side. Simply tap once again, and then go with the custom instruction here. So tap on that once again. So now, as you can see, what should ChatGPT call you? You need to write your name. What do you do? Like that. And also you can describe yourself here and simply fulfill all of these options. All right, then simply go with the tick mark, and there you go. So that's how you can simply add your name in ChatGPT. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.